Hey everyone, Isaiah here at SOPHOS Survival. Let me introduce you to the Family Preparedness Pre-Flight Checklist. All right, so basically what this is a sneak preview of what you get in the book, How to Get Your Family Prepared. This is my simple and systematic approach to get ready for the things that we might actually experience. All right, so my background is in aviation. Pilots use checklists and procedures for everything. To get from point A to point B safely, we go through systematically and approach every part of the flight with a checklist or a procedure. We don't do it because we don't know what we're doing or we forget. It's just a way to make sure that we cover all of our bases every single time and that it's consistent. I wanted to take that methodology and apply it to emergency preparedness. I want to help you and your family get ready for the most common and actual real life emergencies that we might experience. So a little sneak peek into this book. The categories we cover: home safety inventory planning, 96-hour kits, first aid, water filtration, food storage, power and lighting, communication, transportation, sanitation and hygiene, personal protection, home security, finances, documents, and personal items. And then at the end, we talk about continuing your training and always being a student, learning, helping other people as you go. Okay, so that is basically what the book is. The pre-flight checklist is a sneak preview of the book. Basically, you get a tidbit of those first 2 chapters. So we're gonna talk about home safety inventory and planning, and then we're also gonna go in and talk about 96-hour kits and the ins and outs of those 2 topics. All right, so one of the things you'll find within each chapter is a checklist for each topic. You'll also find throughout the chapter a deeper dive or a breakdown of all the different topics. So as you go along, you'll find QR codes, links to my favorite and recommended products, YouTube videos, everything you need to really break this down and make it easy to follow and really help you along in creating this own custom emergency preparedness flight plan for you and your family. All right, so go ahead and complete this pre-flight checklist. And my hope is that this is a huge benefit to you and that it will motivate you to go and dive into the full book. You can get that on the website, sophossurvival.com. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.